Hi, I'm Jeremy Doodad. I live in Fulton, Missouri. I'm 33, and I believe I can speak to animals.
Jeremy has said that he's had this ability since he was 10 years old.
One day when I was walking the dog, Fluffy was his name. He pooped. I didn't realize it. I slipped on the poop and I fell on the concrete. It was a hard fall. I woke up, there was blood on my head, but I heard Fluffy say, Jeremy, are you okay? And he licked the blood off my face. R.I.P. Fluffy, but ever since that day, I could communicate with any animal I saw. Here we have Samson. I've had him since I was 2 years old. He's an old man. He's about 14. All he really wants to do all day is sleep. He's a little snarky, a little sarcastic, kind of mean. Samson, what do you think of the cameraman? I want him to leave us alone and so I can sleep. He thinks you're ugly. You have no sense of style. That's just him joking around, you know. He says he hates you and you should die. But oh, he's such a sweet boy. I love this dog so much.
Here we have Dylan Davis, one of Jeremy's closest friends.
Hi, I'm Dylan, Jeremy's friend. I've known him since we were 6. I'm 33 now. But I mean, we used to go to each other's houses. But when he was 10, had this whole incident. It's just he stopped coming to my house because he kept saying that our cat was rude to him and insulting him. And I couldn't go over to his house, really, because I had discovered a new dog allergy. I don't know. But it's just, it's ridiculous. It's really affecting our friendship. We're mainly online right now because we can't go outside because, you know, anytime we go outside, he just screams at the birds. It's like, it's all ridiculous.
Jeremy says every time he goes outside, the birds, quote, scream at him and ruin his day completely.
Birds? Hey, birds, are you there? Birds? No, they're not there. Birds? Hey, birds, where you at? Birds? Chirp, chirp. I can't whistle. Birds? Birds? Chirp. They're not here. Shut up, I hear them. Birds! 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 They're not communicating with me right now. They're not in the mood. Let's go find some better birds. Birds. Birds are up here. Birds. 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 I can hear. This is the best point to hear them. They're heading north. Hey, shut up. Shut up about my mother. Ugh. No, birds are idiots. Don't talk. They're really vulgar creatures. He's currently insulting my family tree. Says we're incestuous. I called him a birdless worm eater. He said that he took that as a compliment. They stopped talking. They got too afraid of me. Let's go find some better birds. All right, it looks like the birds aren't calling out today. You can hear them, but those are the jerk birds, the jerds. Let me give it one last attempt. They told me to shut up.
But in the bird segment, it was a dumb bit. I said turn the cameras off.